Hi, my name is Yanika. For those who don't know me, I speak about traveling and positivity into life. This video is going to be what to pack for 18 days road trip to Norway. Yay! This summer road trip is going to be with my parents, so it's not going to be solo. So certain things packing up will be shared, such as medical things, shower gels, snacks. All these things will be shared with the parents, so I'm not going to pack everything in my luggage as a solo traveler. This road trip is going to be mixed up with trekking on mountains, sightseeing, city visits, nature visits, so it's going to be full of adventure, so I have to be ready with packing. The temperature there, it's not going to be hot or cold, so I have to mix both clothing and be prepared for the venture. So here in my luggage I will put my backpack for the trekking for the mountain. Obviously the trekking shoes, I will be packing them in the suitcase because it will be too tiring to walk for 4 hours from Malta to Norway. We're going to land in Oslo on the airplane. So I will be wearing a light shoes. I will be putting them in a plastic bag so they will be removed from any dirt when packing with clothes. Obviously I will have some flip-flops. These mostly are used for showers when we are in campsites. And we'll do them in a plastic bag as well. So if they are dirty, they will not dirt my clothes. Gloves, good for cold. My mini towel that I've bought for my travels. Towel for my hair to wash. This one, it's brand new. I'm just going to use it for Norway. It's a sleeping bag liner and it's very compact, breathable and very light. The rain jacket, pyjama, all rolled, so I will be putting everything in my suitcase. Makeup bag, very small. Toiletries to wash my face. Another pocket for toiletries, for shampoo, because shampoo, you don't have to use others because it has to be with your type of hair. Climper for hair. For water when trekking, having this solar panel, I don't think it will be used very much, but I'm taking it just in case for the camping sites. There will be very far away to charge the equipment. The trekking poles, tagged. I will be taking my laptop to edit the videos. I think basically that's all. Some clothing, winter clothing, summer clothing, the underwear for the trousers and shirts. So that's basically it. So I'll have to start packing the luggage. So here I put the underwear with the towel closed. It's everything packed in one suitcase for 18 days road trip with my parents. And in the hand luggage I will put my filming equipment, chargers, a notebook to write on, my laptop, anything that it's highly purchased. And let's go to Norway! Thanks for hanging out. Stay tuned for weekly videos about traveling and positivity into life. This video is about what to pack for a 18 days road trip to Norway. Bye, ciao ciao, see you next time.